MyModes can be configured so that the resistance increases gradually with the flexion angle. The maximum flexion resistance determines how much the resistance increases. Starting from the basic flexion resistance at 0 degrees, the resistance increases gradually up to the maximum flexion resistance at 70 degrees of flexion. No lock will occur. To achieve a stronger increase in resistance that locks the knee joint at a desired angle, use the flexion locking angle setting instead.